vinegar.
And what are we gonna put in these bowls?
Oil, food coloring, and vinegar. So we have some red and
I
blue.
have glue. All right.
We get to put them in. So let's drop.
Ooh, that's pretty.
Whoa. So pretty.
I'm gonna go ahead and put in some oil into mine.
It is so pretty. Mine is too. Wow, there's so much bubbles.
Okay, so we each are gonna take 2 of these eggs. They've been sitting in this solution, and we're gonna carefully dunk them in, and the oil is gonna get on top of the surface and protect it. Now, just carefully drop it in, and it's gonna make a marbled effect. So watch this.
Marbled effect. Whoa, look at it go.
Yeah. Now, while we're waiting for that, I have a crayon. It's a white wax crayon, and I'm gonna have you color on the surface of this egg and write a secret message. We waited a few minutes, and I'm gonna pull these out carefully, and then we're gonna do another set,
Can
okay?
I pull them out?
All right, so, ooh. That's gorgeous. Do you see how they've got little dots where the oil kept the color underneath it? So I'm gonna let those dry for a minute, and let's put our magic messages in, okay? Just carefully.
But how do we know which one is magic?
Put it in.
Here, one's yours.
Okay.
I got a little
I'll put
blue
one in
on
the
me.
yellow. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Now we've got to wait. All right, so I'm gonna put my eggs in your dye, and your eggs in my dye, and that's gonna be part of the tie-dye effect, okay?
Okay.
And then we're gonna wait for a while.
Oh, so hot.
It is kind of hot. The water's warm that we put it in.
Oh, this is so refreshing.
Ooh, look at the colors they're changing. Ooh, that's gonna be really pretty.
Let me see.
You don't know until it's done. You see some of mine?
Look at it.
So beautiful. We'll be right back.
Welcome back. We're gonna have some braid in the yellow.
To give it one more layer of color, because it is tie-dye. We want a bunch of colors.
Yeah, we do. Love colors.
Ooh, that's pretty.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make this one into purple, and then you can put your red ones in, okay? Now we're just gonna wait. We'll be right back.
Welcome back. The steam team with Lilly and me, and we're gonna pull all the eggs out.
All right, so I have to show how cool this is. The oil made little dots on the surface of the egg, so it looks like it's tie-dye. And then look right here. We wrote secret messages in the wax. And the color didn't stick because the wax created a barrier. Ooh, so pretty. Oh, the purple's my favorite. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Ooh, what's it say?
It says,
I love Daddy. We don't want to get them too close because the colors will start to bleed together. We're going to let them dry a little bit.
thanks for watching the Steam Team with Lily and
Me.
subscribe to our channel, give a big thumbs up.
We'll see you later. Bye.
See you later.